this next scene coming up is another chance to underline when the standard is not met. Not necessarily a mutilated outcast for the other, the snitch. This one is the crook. He's the one with some shady underpinnings going on back at the city, off into the politics, silver tongue, playing both sides of the line and all that. And again, I'll follow up later when you see where he shows his true colors. But the whole context, again, underlying, everything that we're seeing standing strong in those Spartan warriors, and the opposite when that standard is not met, coming from the very same place they all came from, Sparta.
Ah, there's your money.
Shiesty ass smile.
You should keep a better eye on him if he's to be king one day. The unfortunate thing were to happen to him. Or to his beautiful mother.
And we're going back to back, folks. I already told you what went down with the snitch. Now we go back to the other side and we're looking at the crook. So in this scene, he's approached by the queen, trying to make arrangements. I am going to cut it off because it gets a little X-rated. And, of course, he's not good for word. But this just shows, again, we're below that standard, the quality of men. Not all are created equal. Actually, I think that's one of the lines in the scene here. But you see, just because he's from Sparta, don't mean he's got that heart. Let's get it.
I need your help in winning votes to send the army north to our king.
Yes. I can see it, the two of us standing together. Me, politician, you, warrior, our voices as one. But why would I want to do that?
It proves you care for a king who right now fights for the very water we drink.
True. But this is politics, not war. Leonidas is an idealist.
I know your kind too well. You send men to slaughter for your own gain.
Your husband, our king, has taken 300 of our finest to slaughter. He's broken our laws and left without the council's consent. I'm simply a realist.
You're an opportunist.
You're as foolish as Leonidas if you think men don't have a price in this world. All men are not created equal. That's the Spartan code, my little queen. I admire your passion. But don't think that you, a woman, even a queen, can walk into the council chamber and sway the minds of men. I own that chamber, as if it were built with these hands.
Not the queen.
Crush the life out of you right now.
So they make an agreement, and I'll be honest, like I said, it gets X-rated. The queen pays a price. But on top of that, on behalf of her people, she believes she's doing the right thing. Now let's see whether or not you think the crook is going to honor that. Remember I told you about the snitch who's already gotten his, and the crook. Now we get to see, does he come through and honor the deal that he made with the queen? Of course, it's no honor amongst thieves. Check it out. No standard.
May I give the floor now to the wife of Leonidas and Queen of Sparta.
Councilmen, I stand before you not only as your queen. I come to you as a mother. I come to you as a wife. I come to you as a Spartan woman. I am not here to represent Leonidas. His actions speak louder than my words ever could. I am here for all those voices which cannot be heard. Mothers, daughters, fathers, sons. 300 families that bleed for our rights and for the very principles this room was built upon. We are at war, gentlemen. We must send the entire Spartan army to aid our king in the preservation of not just ourselves, but of our children. Send the army for the preservation of liberty. Send it for justice. Send it for law and order. Send it for reason. But most importantly, send our army for hope. Hope that a king and his men have not been wasted, that their courage bonds us together. That we are made stronger by their action, and that your choices today reflect their bravery.
300. Eloquent, passionate, but it doesn't change the fact that your husband's brought war.
You are wrong. Xerxes brought it forth, and before that his father Darius at Marathon. The Persians will not stop until the only shelter we will find is rubble and chaos.
This chamber needs no history lesson.
And what is the lesson you would like to leave? Should I begin to enumerate all of them? Honor, duty, glory.
You speak of honor, glory, but what of adultery?
How dare you?
How dare I? Watch her carefully. She is a trickster in true form. Do not play with the members of sacred chamber, my queen. Just hours ago, you offered yourself to me. Were I a weaker man, I would have her scent on me still.
This is outrage.
Ah, the hypocrites speak. Did you not receive a similar payment, which you took in exchange for her having an audience with these noble men?
That is a lie.
Is it? Was he not, by your invitation, asked to come to the king's bedchamber, the very bed where you attempted to negotiate with me so vigorously?
The
You look
crook.
shocked. A bribe of the flesh, gentlemen, while her husband promotes anarchy and war. Words escape even the most cunning tongue. What queen-like behavior. Remove her from this chamber before she infects us further with her inglorious and shabby self.
This will not be over quickly. You will not enjoy this.
Give it to him.
I am not your queen.
That's what a crook gets. No honor amongst thieves.
Traitor.
All right, fam. With that, I'll let you go catch the movie to get the rest of the story. But this has been the Architect's Breakdown. Thank you for tuning in as always. If you like content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm dropping new content every week. Blueprint breakdowns, YouTube lives on the way. Be sure before you go to hit that like button, give it a thumbs up. Let the algorithm know that men need messages just like this. And drop a comment down below. Tell me your favorite part of this movie and where any of these distinctions landed and hit you in the chest about what this grown man shit is about. And in the meantime, I'm going to be right here, being the best version of myself. One could say, beyond empowered. The question is, fellas, who are you going to be? Peace.